Hi everyone, so I was driving back home from my work to get some stuff for my gym, actually my gym bag. So join me along on this drive. What's up everyone? So it's an afternoon here in Riyadh and I'm leaving work and well, I have to go to the Fitness Time gym, but the thing is the branch that I'm going to, it's the Naseem branch, and well, for going there I have to fetch my bag with all the stuff, the gym clothes from home. So I'll go to Muhammadiyah and then I will go to Naseem in the north of Riyadh. So it's gonna take me, I think, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes or something like this. Let's see how it goes. And well, right now we are on this Burke Road in Sharafiyah. And then we are gonna go to the Prince Turki Road. And well, as we drive, let's talk about life matters and that sort of stuff. So well, the thing that comes to my mind right now, well, it's about momentum. And I really believe that if you have momentum in life, you should continue making the best of that momentum. And for a few days I have some good momentum going on with the gym and the exercise and fitness. So well, I'm gonna keep it up, and let's hope we do make it out of this traffic light in the first go. So yeah, it did turn green, and let's see, because normally it doesn't give that much margin, but yeah, we made it. Now onto the Turkey Road, and talking about momentum in life, you must have noticed that you have days when things are in your favor, and then there are also days when things don't seem to be going in one's favor, even if we try a lot. So on the days when you feel that you are getting the best out of the situations and your efforts, well, it's better to make the best out of those days, because in the end, if you are having a hard luck on a certain day, it's all gonna average out because you did well on the other days. And as we move forward in life and these days sum up and average out, well, that's how we realize how far we have come in life. And well, right now today seems like there's quite some traffic, but well, it is what it is. It's a part of life in Riyadh. You have to live with it. So the traffic is moving once again, and we are going with the momentum of the road. This traffic light and the road, it has some weird S curve. I wonder who designed this road. And we have a very beautiful Mercedes to our right, CLA 200. Wow, so interesting. In Riyadh you would see all kind of fancy cars, and although Mercedes doesn't come into like the fanciest of them all, but still, you see, it's a beautiful car, German car. Right now I'm driving in eco mode. The drive is actually quite smooth. Another Mercedes coming from our left. Wow. Now we will have to take the exit. This guy wants to turn right, so we will turn. He wanted to turn left, we'll turn right. When I was new to Riyadh, like a year and a half back, this underpass, it was not colored as you see the green color and the grey color on the right and the left on both sides. But I also vividly remember the time when the contracting company, they were painting it, and you see now it's red. And I also started posting shorts on the channel as well. If you are watching my videos from before, then well, those shorts videos, they have like some trucks of the drives, and in these long videos we just explore around, we just talk about stuff, life, driving, Riyadh, that kind of stuff, you know. And I got this one mobile holder from Jareer. It's also turning out to be a good one. I hope it will at least help us make a couple hundred videos in the coming months. So this is also an interesting place. You see the bridge above and how they have made one monument over on top of it. By the way, this road also leads straight to near Kingdom Tower. I've been seeing POV drive videos where people are using some sort of equipment, and it gives like the actual sound of what that driver is hearing. So if he hears a horn from the left, if you listen to the video, it would feel to you as if the horn is from the left while you are watching the video. So that gives you some real-time sort of experience. I'm sort of figuring that out as well, and if we can do that. But for now, I feel like I'm doing the best as I can. So you see there in front, that sleek, tall building, that's the Kingdom Tower, and its side view is sleek. But from front, it's sort of more flat, more wide. And this is Aruba Road here in Riyadh. So we are gonna turn left, and that Takhasusi street leads on to Muhammadiyah. So we have a green light. The traffic is also moving, and well, if you have to go straight on Aruba Road, this bridge on top, it is actually quite convenient. It's a very long bridge, and definitely helps stay clear of the traffic. But on the peak hours, it's also full of traffic. I've faced that as well. And on the right, there's a Spar market. It's a store, supermarket, sort of like that. And usually when I come here, I am able to find a few different varieties of mangoes. And well, on other shops, other fruit and vegetable shops, they don't have that many varieties. So I've been able to find Egyptian mangoes here, Yemeni mangoes, Pakistani mangoes, obviously, Saudi mangoes. So all the interesting sort of stuff. And I must say, the Yemeni mangoes that I ate, they had like really good taste. The Egyptians one that I tasted, they were also fine. I would say they were delicious actually. The Pakistani ones, they weren't actually representing the true taste of the Pakistani mangoes. But anyways, didn't try the Saudi mangoes because their shape seemed to me like they still might have needed some more time to ripen. Because you know, stuff is also artificially ripened as well. The traffic light turned green and we are gonna push through the traffic if the car ahead of us moves. Yeah, seems like we are gonna make through this traffic signal. By the way, I got a comment on my channel that someone said that this YouTube stuff, it ain't for me. What am I gonna talk about after this? The weather? Well, the thing is that I already have a couple of other channels. If you go onto my channel, you'll see it's one is the Talha's POV. So I put like the most important clips and highlights over there. And then there's one called RAWlogs by Talha. There I put the, let this guy go. Okay, so there I put raw vlogs, raw snippets from my life. So yeah, YouTube is for everyone. And if you can provide some sort of entertainment, some value, something pleasing, then you are sure to find some audience for your content. We are also gonna cross the metro, Riyadh metro. They're gonna make an overhead bridge over here. Come on guys, move. Yeah, so we are stuck in the traffic again. But you see on our left there's road works going on. But the good thing is that the traffic is moving. Very tight spaces over here. So guys, we'll meet in a bit. I have to get my gym stuff my gym bag and leave for the gym. So guys, here's the stuff, my post gym clothes, my gym bag, and we are off to the gym. The drive will be in the next video.